Hello everyone, this is Yamini Chauhan, and in this video we are going to talk about bond and sovereign gold bond. Let's start with bond. Definition of bond. A bond, as known as fixed income, is an instrument used by governments and companies to raise money by borrowing from investors. Think of them like loans. Bond is simply a loan taken out by a company. Instead of going to a bank, the company gets the money from investors who buy its bond. In exchange for the capital, the company pays an interest coupon, which is the annual interest rate paid on a bond. Now, to move further. Description. Demand the need to raise funds. Bonds are debt securities issued by corporations, governments, or other organizations and sold to investors. Backing for bonds is typically the payment ability of the issuer to generate revenue, although physical assets may also be used as collateral. Because corporate bonds are typically seen as riskier than government bonds, they usually have higher interest rate. Now, what is sovereign gold bond? Sovereign gold bonds are the perfect alternative to investment in physical gold. With these bonds, you can enjoy capital appreciation and also earn interest every year. These bonds issued by the government of India also eliminate several risks associated with physical gold. Buy these bonds through ICICI Bank, internet banking, or through iMobile application. Sovereign gold bond launched in 2015 by government. Now, unique features of sovereign gold bond. Bond issued in denomination of a gram of gold and in multiple thereof. Minimum investment 1 gram, maximum investment 4 kg, available in demat and paper form, tradable on stock exchange, earn interest, tenure of bond 8 years with an exit option in 5th, 6th and 7th year. Can be used as collateral for loans, zero risk of handing actual gold. Now, how to buy sovereign gold bond in India? These bonds are sold only through the following entities. First, nationalized bank, scheduled private and foreign banks. Second, designated post office. Third, stock holding corporation of India limited authorized stock exchange. Now, advantages of investing in sovereign gold bond. Safety. Sovereign gold bond do not carry any risk associated with holding physical gold except the market risk. The bonds do not have any hefty making or designing charges or TDS. Furthermore, no one can steal or change ownership. The second one is an additional source of income. Offer guaranteed annual interest at 2.5%. The interest payout frequency is twice a year. This can be an additional source of income. Thank you.